No,
Fuck.
you're gonna be on 999 to rank up, man.
No, is this one going to take you to 999?
Oh yeah, it will. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, jump.
Just so next game I can say we can't leave him on a rank out game.
Kidler,
Every round start, brother.
why are you always AFK?
Every round. I don't know. There's some secret thing going on.
Yeah.
Shh.
Nothing top mid.
Might be slow apps.
We only have one A. Fuck.
Yeah, because we all...
Slow apps.
Lucky I popped out.
Yeah, pushing.
Rotate? Yeah.
I dinked one.
Rotati, yeah. Bombs there.
Tag. One
Van?
tag heavy.
Okay, so 2 we dinked.
Wow, I suck ass.
Yeah, I know.
You suck ass.
On site, 2.
Oh.
One jumped out, one's bench.
Bench.
You got a
Bench
nade,
lab.
Sentinel Falcon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Not for me. Bro.
Nice.
Oh.
What a man!
Made the enemy.
Nice 4K.
He just wanted you to die
Almost
so he
a
could get last
5K,
kill.
got grumpy.
Yeah, the fuck.
Well, I mean, you sort of walked into it, didn't you?
What?
Yeah.
The victim.
What do you
Blame
mean?
the
You
victim.
fucking hit the wall.
Grumpy
I
is
was-
because of
I
what
mean-
you were wearing.
He couldn't have got hit by the nade if he wasn't
Almost
near it,
fucked
though.
I mean, if you're gonna wear a skirt like that, you gotta get
Yeah,
a name.
I'm rushing mid.